These LELO Soraya anal beads sell for over $200.
And these Amazon knockoffs are $6. And this is how they came.
We are putting these to the ultimate test by inserting them into our Michelin star certified holes so that you don't have to. So the question is it worth the investment?
Or are we just getting screwed?
Pun intended.
Up the butt.
So let's do a little unboxing, because this is like some beautiful packaging here. Very high end. She's luxurious. Look, you get what you pay for. Oh, that smells bad.
It smells like poppers.
Yeah. Are you high?
I'm good at it.
Alright. So let's go find out.
Please continue to hold. Your call is important to us.
Alright, so a little bit of breaking news from inside the bathroom, fresh out of the shower. I keep steaming this up. I want to show you something, which is, see this design? It's clean. See this design? It's cascading from small to larger, progressively larger beads. It is so that it hits all your different nerve endings. Because each bead is moving independently, it really gives you a different type of orgasm than you're used to having. But what I find really cool is that it's gender neutral. Whether you're using this for P-spot stimulation or A-spot, whatever body parts you have, however you identify, you can use this. And so it unlocks an entire world of pleasure. And you can use it solo on yourself, or you can get to them and use it with your partner to take your experience of pleasure up to a whole different level. And I used it in the shower because sometimes you don't want to like fully prep before you engage in anal play. There's a plus and minus button right here on the base. Super easy to find. You're in the shower, use it, increase intensity, decrease intensity. Anyway, let's get back to Jake so that we could dive deeper into this. So let's talk about this. So this was the issue. It's very flimsy, and so in trying to insert this into your butt,
unless you're already like pile driven open, like unless you are like,
which to be fair, we are.
But like, but like for the, the average Joe.
Yeah.
You're not like gaping.
Right, this is not
open.
gonna go into you. And it's not that they're big, it's just that it's...
ram it in, which I don't think you wanna. Like, also that could get lost inside you.
Well, that's why it has the rip pull cord. So it's like when you pull out a parachute, you're supposed to go like...
You know what happens then? Prolapse.
Prolapse.
It's spring, so things are a blooming. Roses are a blooming.
And we're done. This feels weighty, it feels expensive, it has structure to it. It just feels luxurious. Like it feels like you're doing something nice for yourself.
Yeah.
This is a questionable experience. Like, what am I doing?
Yeah.
What am I doing? So LELO, the company that makes this, is not just a pleasure toy brand, it is a self-care movement. So as the leader in luxury sex toys, they set the standard for design, for technology, for innovation. Stop it. So really it's offering ecstasy without the feelings of shame that a lot of people have.
Totally.
Every product meets the highest safety standards, unlike this, which God knows where this was developed.
Now I wouldn't sniff it now.
With a 10-year quality guarantee, it is truly a commitment to your pleasure.
Yeah, it's kind of like a gun, There's only room in this town for one bottom.
Okay, so one of the design features that I really like is the cascading ball size.
Oh, I was waiting for you to talk about the cascading ball size.
So Jake, here's my question to you. How low can you go? How far did you get?
Mama did not raise a quitter. Okay.
Did you take the whole thing?
Yeah, I took the whole thing.
Oh, okay.
You gave me a sex toy. What do you expect me to do? Take it on a date? Like what?
I don't know.
I shoved the whole thing inside me. I had to resist putting the handle in me.
Unlike the other one, this one has a motor in it. So you can turn it on.
I was hoping you'd bring that up.
Yeah, and there's 8 different settings
was one
to
of my
explore.
favorite.
No.
Let me bite it.
No.
Please.
No. So there's 8 different settings. This has no settings.
Well, it's got one setting, flaccid.
What's cool though is that each ball vibrates independently. So it's this like motion-like feeling that you're inserting the toy, even though it's just staying right there in place.
Mm-hmm.
The vibrating beads, like they essentially work in harmony so that it feels like a thrusting-like sensation, even though you're not thrusting it. I just ejaculated. This technology, it's basically inspired by the movements of violin players, where each vibrating anal bead works together to offer this like incredible anal experience.
I'll be back. Okay.
I mean, there's a reason why it's $200.
It was like going like down my hole. I was like, it was like a 4-step program, honestly.
This sets unrealistic expectations because like,
well, no one's dick is vibrating.
no one's penis is gonna do this.
Well, no, unless I shove like a Nokia inside me.
A what? And not to bring it back to your $6 Amazon purchase, but What does this do?
Give you a chemical burn.
You know what this feels like to me?
Well, what does it feel like?
A dog chew toy. You'd be like, ah. And again, 10-year quality guarantee. You probably can't even return it. A sex toy on Amazon?
No, you can.
Yeah. Yeah, and shouldn't.
I tried this out, it sucks. Here
Just
you go.
cut your losses.
Covered in shit.
Cut your losses. So if you are interested in LELO's Soraya anal beads, I'm gonna put that link in the video description down below. You can actually use code DAVY15 for a stackable 15% discount, which is awesome because it's a luxury product and there aren't discounts on this.
I love things that can stack.
So stack that bitch. This is a first class ticket to pleasure, baby. And
Yeah.
this economy seating.
Well, moral of the story
You're
is...
gonna be paying for your water with this one. You're in the back of the plane. Middle seat, first class flatbed, 5-course Michelin star dinner.
Emirates.
Your own flight attendant, private plane. Private plane.
Is he cute?
Yeah. He'll fuck you. Moral of the story of what we've learned today is you get what you pay for. All right then, so yeah, a big thank you to Jake Matthews. If you guys are interested in Jake, you know where to find him. And if you wanna see, you know, this in action, I can't say much more than that. But just put that little whisper in your ear.
Yeah, I'm gonna take this with me. I'm gonna do my taxes with it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool. Bye, David.
Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, more to come.